Hello, welcome to this Corpus Christi Sunday, the veneration of the body and blood of Christ. You may remember, in fact, you probably remember back in the day when on Corpus Christi Sunday, there were processions with the Blessed Sacrament through the streets, outside the church and around the neighborhood. When I was working at St. Ambrose Parish on the Hill, Corpus Christi Sunday was a very important feast, and there was a procession through the streets of the Hill. People would line the streets and show great reverence for Christ in the real presence in the monstrance. I also have noticed through the years that when there is Eucharistic adoration, when those who come in to pray walk in, they sometimes bow, they get down on both knees, they pay great reverence to the real presence of Christ on the altar. But what I'd like to leave you with today is this idea that the real presence of Christ is found not just in the Eucharistic species of bread and wine, not just in the tabernacle, not just during Eucharistic adoration or during Corpus Christi procession, but that the real presence of Christ is found in each of us. The real presence is found in all of us together as the body of Christ. Christ is truly present in us. And so I would hope that I and we would offer each other the same reverence and respect and dignity that we show to the body of Christ in church, in the processions, in Eucharistic adoration, because Christ is truly present, really present in the world through you and through me and through all of us. Thank you for watching today. Have a great and have a restful Sunday.